It's time for a quick tip. Here is how I never forget a task, and you can too. In Gmail, you have access to Google Tasks. Google Tasks is a tool that allows you to quickly and easily create important to-do reminders. Here's how it's done. In any of these applications, navigate to the side panel. I am currently in Google Drive. Click on this icon in the side panel and select Add Task. Now that you've added a task, you want to go ahead and name that task. I'm going to say record TikTok video. Now in the details, I'm going to go ahead and provide a brief summary about the particular task. And we'll say video about Google Task. And lastly, I'll assign a due date and time. Here, you can see that you can even add subtasks if needed. To mark a task complete, simply click on this circle here and the task will be removed from your current task list. The cool thing is that your tasks are automatically added to your calendar and can be edited on any device. To delete a task, click on the three dots here and select delete. As you gear up for the holidays, try using this tool to stay calm, cool, and collected while getting everything done. And just like that, you too can tech. Don't forget to like this video and follow for more.